So guys, the plain integrity fix module is now no more. It has been removed by the dev. If you go to the official GitHub page as well, you could see the file has been removed. The entire repo is now no longer there. So what you have to do now? Well, for now you could see the plain integrity fix version is the latest 19.1 is now up and running for now, but it will no longer work in a few days or few weeks time. For now, you will also pass all the 3 tests without an issue whatsoever, but it's only a matter of time. After a few days or weeks, this will not be the case. So in that case, what you have to do, well, it's quite an easy way out. You have to simply use the fork of this module. The name is the plain integrity fork. It is there on the official GitHub page as well. Simply download the fork from here. It has been going on for the past 1.5 years and it's quite a handy module. Simply download the mod from here, the fork of plain integrity, and flash them via Magisk. And that's just about it. Let me show you. There's no issue whatsoever in this as well. So let's suppose for now the plain integrity fix is no longer working. Let's assume that. So in that case, first off, tap on remove and remove this module and do a restart as well to remove all the files of the plain integrity fix. And then you will have to flash the plain integrity fork module as well. So guys, with this we are now inside the OS. First off, let's launch the Magisk app and verify that the PIF module is no longer there. So launch the Magisk app, go to the module section, and please verify that there are no trace of any PIF mod whatsoever. And if that's all well and good, as you could see, we don't have the PIF module. If that's all well and good, now get hold of the plain integrity fork module from here and then flash it via Magisk Apache or kernel SU. Let's flash the mod as well. I have it onto my phone, plain integrity fork module. Tap on OK, and it's now flashed. After that, tap on reboot and wait for the phone to boot to the OS. Okay, in the meantime, let me open my article of passing plain integrity test. This is my article, and now I'll show you one important aspect of this article as well. In case of plain integrity fix, when you use the KSU Web UI app, then you had the option of plain integrity fix in that app as well. Let me show you. This is the plain integrity fix module inside the KSU Web UI, but in case of the plain integrity fork module, that will not be the case. Let me show you what I mean. First and foremost, let's launch the Magisk app and verify the module is there or not. The module in the Magisk or KSU or the kernel SU or Apache, all will do. For now, I'm using the Magisk app module, and as you would see, we have the fork app. But now, if I launch the KSU Web UI, you will see that it's no longer there. Only the official plain integrity fix mod is there, but the plain integrity fork is no longer there in the KSU Web UI. But it's not a cause of any concern whatsoever. Even if it's not there, simply skip this. And even if you now perform a test, you could see you will still pass all the 3 tests without any issue whatsoever. So you could now easily make a switch from the PIF to the plain integrity fork, and you pass all the 3 tests. Even if there is no PIF in the KSU Web UI, that's not a cause of any concern whatsoever. So guys, on that note, we're done to this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.